Gerald. Today I want to give a quick review and installation instruction for this TRD emblem for my 2020 RAV4 XSE Hybrid. I thought this is a pretty nice emblem. I got this off of Amazon for about $15. I thought it looks nice, but most importantly, it will make your car go faster, psychologically. At least that's what I said to my wife. But in any case, let's get started. Alright, like I said before, I bought this off of Amazon for about $15, and I'll provide the link in the description below. When you buy these, it comes with the emblem, with the 2 screws, 2 nuts, and also these 2 metal plates. Now, originally, the color of this metal plate is actually silver, which is so ugly because you can see the metal plate sticking out of the emblem. So what I did is I just painted this metal plate black. That way you can't really see it unless you really look closely. In the product description, the seller claims that this emblem is made out of a high quality ABS material, which makes this emblem stronger and more durable, but I didn't find that at all. I actually found that this is pretty brittle, and I said that because I accidentally broke this D right here. So the emblem is going to be mounted like this in your grille, like this. The grille is going to be between this metal plate and this emblem. So I want to make sure that it's really tight, right? So I tightened this nut pretty good, and as I did that, it started to bend. So this emblem started to bend, and one side it started to sink to the grille. So I tried to fix it, right? And when I tried to fix it, I took it out and I tried to push this up, and when I pushed this up to be more flat, I broke this D. So I was pretty upset with that. So what I did was that I put a glue. I don't know how strong this is gonna be, but I put a high quality glue here to connect the D again with the R, and it has some residue. So what I did is that I just painted this black when I paint the plate black. So when I paint this all black, so I repainted it black, and you can't see because the original color is black, so that's what happened. So just be very careful when you install this on your grille, because it's not that strong, you know. As soon as you tighten the screws, it starts to bend, and don't try to fix it. If you try to make it flat again, don't push it too hard because you're gonna break it, just like what I did. So I broke it right here, but really at any single connection point here you can break it. I popped the hood of my car, and we're going to install this emblem on the grille. And as you can see, there's certain areas that have holes, certain areas that don't have holes, and I want to install this emblem a little bit on the side, and we're going to install it right there. Okay, so it's pretty easy. You don't need tools, and all you need to do is just a flathead screwdriver. You need to remove these 2 pins so you can access the grille from the behind. We just take it, very easy, pop out, open right away, and take the other one too. Pop open right away, and all you need to do is you just need to get access to the behind of that grille so you can tighten that screw nut. Alright, what we're going to do right now, we're going to start assembling the emblem. So as you can see, we have 2 holes, 1 hole here for the screw and another one here, and you're going to take the metal plate, this metal plate, and put it inside the screw, and you'll just start screwing to the emblem. Make sure you screw it all the way and it's tight, and then you do the same for the other side. Okay, take that, just screw it in. Right, once you make sure it's tight, you want to kind of put this inside the holes. I want to put one side first, make sure it's in. And once this is in, I'm going to work on the other side. There you go. So essentially, it's got to stay like that. Alright, next is you want to make sure that you align that metal plate to this vertical position. That way it's holding this emblem on the back of the grill. Once you do that, you can go to this hole and kind of slide your hand in, and as you can see, that's the back of the emblem, and you just have to slide your hand in and tighten that screw nut from the back. Once you're done, just snap the pin back in. You're set. This is what the final products look like. As you can see, it's really subtle, which is what I'm looking for. From the distance, you can't really see the TRD lettering just because the color of the grill is dark gray and this is black, so you can't really see it from the distance, but you can see the white and red stripes. So there you go, guys. I thought it's just a nice accessory to add to the look of your car. It's very simple to install. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.